Welcome to Ikeli Lila. Today I will say goodbye to some friends and one friend in particular. I want you to meet Dingo, my friend. Hi, Dingo.
Yes, it's an imaginary friend, but he doesn't know that.
So, Dingo, I'm going to leave. I'm sorry, it's pretty late. Okay, so cheers. I will see you soon. Bye-bye. So, bye-bye. You want to say goodbye to one friend. Bye-bye. Oh, there's more friends. Can you see them? No?
They are imaginary. Yes, I know.
Oh, I'm not. Say cheers, Dingo's friends. Yes, I'm leaving. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. So you say bye-bye where there's a bunch of friends, okay? And if you didn't see my imaginary friends, well, it's totally fine. I think I'm pretty grown up to see imaginary friends, but you know, I like it. I'm not, and I think you should know that. Bye-bye.